How to change the phone ringtone on the LG Optimus L3. First, press on your home key to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the menu key and choose settings. In settings, tap on sound. Then scroll down a little bit under the incoming call section, tap on phone ringtone. Now you can choose from a list. There's not many there, but you can change to a different one if you don't like the default one. For example, I can choose the season change. You can choose the aspirations or any other one that you like. Then just tap on the OK button if you're happy with that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.